Hello and welcome all to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, we are going to see errors and percentage errors, and we will solve example regarding errors and percentage error. What is error and how the percentage error is given in function of two variable that we are going to show in this video. So let z be a function of two variable x and y. So let z is equals to f of x y be a continuous function, of x and y. Let dx and dy be the errors in measurement of the values of x and y respectively. Means if you are measuring this variable x, there is an error of dx in this variable x. In you are measuring this variable y, then there is an error dy in this variable y. Then the error in z is denoted by dz, and it is given as dz is equals to da by f by da by x into dx plus da by f by da by y into dy, where this da by f by da by x is the partial derivative of f with respect to x, and this da by f by da by y is the partial derivative of f with respect to y. This dx is the error in x and this dy is the error in y. Similarly, the percentage error in x, y and z are 100 dx upon x, 100 dy upon y, and 100 dz upon z respectively. The percentage error in x is 100 dx upon x, the percentage error in y is 100 dy upon y, and the percentage error in z is 100 dz upon z. Now we will solve one example to find the percentage error in one variable when it is dependent on the two variables and the errors of the two variables are given. Consider this example. The resonant frequency in the series electrically is given by f is equals to 1 upon 2 pi into under root of LC. If the measurement of L and C are in the error by 2% and -1% respectively, then we have to find the percentage error in the calculated value of f. Here you can see that the f is depending on the value of L and C. So L and C are the independent variable and f is the dependent variable. The percentage error in L and C are given as 2% and -1% respectively. So what is given? Given as 100 dl upon L is 2%, also 100 dc upon C, that is given as -1%. We have to find the percentage error in calculated value of f, that is we have to find 100 df upon f. our task is to find 100 df upon f. Now it is given as f is equals to 1 upon 2 pi into root of LC. If you take log both sides, so taking log both sides, we get, taking log both sides, we get log f is equals to log of 1 upon 2 pi minus 1 upon 2 into log L minus 1 upon 2 into log C. Now if we take the differential of the both sides, so taking differential, we take the derivative, so we will get 1 upon f into df is equals to, derivative of this constant is 0, so we will get minus 1 upon 2 into dl upon L minus 1 upon 2 into dc divided by c. Now I will just multiply this whole equation by 100, so I will get 100 df upon f is equals to minus 1 by 2 into 100 dl upon L minus 1 by 2 into 100 dc upon c. Now the value of 100 dl upon L and 100 dc upon c is given as 2 and minus 1 respectively, so we will substitute here and we will get, this is minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1, so the final answer is minus 0.5. so 100 df upon f is equals to minus 0.5. so the percentage error, therefore percentage error in f is minus 0.5 percentage. This is how we calculate the percentage error of the dependent variable when the percentage error in independent variables are given.